this example, we want to use the component state. Let's make a useState hook that returns a pair of values, the current state and a function that updates it. False is an argument for the initial state. We add the useEffect hook, which takes a function as its first argument and a dependencies array as its second argument. When the value of any of the dependencies in the array changes, the function will be called. If the dependencies array is empty, the function will only be called on component mount. The first argument, the function, also returns a function that is called when the component unmounts. Create data that you want to use in other components without passing it as prop. Add the data as a value in the context provider. Now, in the component where you want to use it, call the useContext hook and provide the previously created context as an argument. The useRef hook can be used in two cases. In the first case, it can be used to manipulate a node element where we can change the value of an HTML element. In the second case, we can use it to store additional information, and changing it won't affect the rendering of the component. Now we will generate a unique ID that will be used to connect to label and input elements. This will allow the input element to be focused when the label is clicked.